Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Burrows, and this is one of my 5 technologies that I found, and this one is called Google Expeditions. Um, I wanted to try to find an interactive technology for my students in my world geography class that I teach, and this is something that I found online. You can put it on like a iPad or Chromebook for an app, and it's free. Um, so what Google Expeditions is an educational app that allows teachers and students to explore the world through virtual reality and augmented reality tours. As you can see right here, this is what the front page would look like. You go to it and you can do virtual reality field trips, you can do augmented, different kinds of tours. And it's not just geography, it has science, it has history, math. There's a lot of stuff that can be interactive in it. And so you can choose which one that you would like to go into, and you can use it as a virtual reality with like the devices or just a regular tour. Either one works. So like for the first one, the virtual reality, teachers and students use mobile devices and virtual reality viewers to virtually explore an art gallery or a museum, maybe swim underwater or navigate outer space without leaving the classroom. So it's kind of cool that you can have a virtual field trip this way. Um, the next one was the augmented reality. Teachers use mobile devices to bring objects into their classroom so students can see and walk around 3D objects as if the objects were physically in the classroom. So if you can tell right here, I tried this with like landforms, different kinds of landforms. And so if you had a mountain, you can actually view the mountain in your room, or maybe it was like a valley or a plateau or something like that. It was kind of neat. You can also do like a 360 view of something. So if you're at the pyramids in Egypt, you can look at that as though you're like standing there, or even if you're on top of Mount Everest, stuff like that. And it's really, really cool. The other thing that you can do is create tours. Teachers and students can use Tour Creator to create a virtual reality tours. Teachers can add tours they created in the tour creator to expeditions to guide students in their classes. So you can create a tour, and down here are these little tabs, and they can click on the tabs and it takes them to that specific spot of the tour, and they get to read about it. And there's also guided activity questions that they can answer along the way. And these photos are also the 360-degree photos. So it's not just a still photo. You actually get to move it around, look around, and see what is all the way around the pyramids. Maybe this seems like a good interactive way that my students will be able to engage in the world geography, and I really look forward to using it. Thanks.